Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aisha Knowledge. In this video, I am going to update about Megadeth part their way with David Ellefson and they release a statement. I am going to tell you whole story, so watch the video till end and never skip any part of the video. According to source, Megadeth has part way with David Ellefson and release a statement. And as we know that David Ellefson is a headline for a private Instagram video that is leaked online, and after this he has got lot of criticism from the people. Megadeth ended their working relationship with longtime bassist David Ellefson in a statement on Monday, May 24. Only 2 weeks after controversy erupted over Ellefson involvement in a video scandal that him denying he groomed an underage girl, and David Ellefson grooming video is also viral on social media. According to Megadeth, a message is posted that we are inform our fan that David Ellefson is no longer playing with Megadeth and that we are officially parting way with him. The band message attributed to band leader Dave Mustaine and Megadeth began, "We do not take this decision lightly." It continued, "While we do not know every detail of what occurred with our strained relationship, but according to sources, this video, Instagram video, is the main reason behind their separations." Earlier this month, several interactions seemingly made between the bass player and a woman via text and video call, including some images of Ellefson leaked on social media. A person had come forward on Instagram detailing those exchanges, but the original message has since been removed. On 10 May statement, Ellefson admitted his involvement in private personal conversation that has been made public, but maintained they were adult interactions that were taken out of context. And after a week before or Twitter account is deleted by Bassett. On first learning of the situation surrounding Ellefson issued an initial statement saying in part that they were watching development closely as it related to creativity and business. "We are all familiar with one another, however, there are clearly aspects of David's private life that he has kept to himself and we should not discuss about this." The statement is exactly that. "We inform our fan that David Ellefson is no longer playing with Megadeth and that we are officially parting ways with him. We do not take this decision lightly. While we do not know every detail of what occurred with an already strained relationship, what has already been revealed now is enough to make working together impossible moving forward. We look forward to seeing our fan on the road this summer and we cannot wait to share our brand new music with world. It is almost complete." Dave Mustaine, Megadeth on April 24. This is the exact statement of them. And Megadeth fired bassist David Ellefson after misconduct allegation, and Megadeth part way with bassist David Ellefson, and this video is recently going viral and people are know hour ago, and now social media is trending about this news, and they are talking what exactly happened between them. But main reason is that the video that is recently going viral on social media. Fans are discussing about what exactly happened between them. David Ellefson is in headline from many days for grooming video, but he has denied because this girl is not under 18. She is 19-year old, and she also make a response over this. But David Ellefson got lot of criticism from the people, and his video is still searching by people on social media. Megadeth part way with David Ellefson and they release a statement, and now it is trending on social media. David Ellefson before this lot of fan following, and now he is getting hate and criticism from the people, and in my opinion that he is facing hard time of his life. What is your opinion about this whole controversy? Are you think that Megadeth should do that with David Ellison because he has worked with long time with Mega Death, and they should not do with him this hard time. Or not right below comment section. David Ellison has apparently deactivated his Twitter account more than a week after the leak of the Mega Death message and explicit video featuring a woman who is not his wife. David became a Lutheran pastor nearly a decade ago and has been married for 27 years, said by a user. And social media and people have mixed reaction this, but mostly people never like this video and behavior of David Ellison, and he got lot of popularity and got fame, but he ruined people, according to people, he ruined his career because of this. But David Ellison denied denied underage grooming, and he said that he never did this, and the girl is an adult. And por conta do polémico escândalo dos vídeos sexuais Magnet demote a bexista David Ellison said by in his language Magnet, and now David Ellison is not together. So this is the latest and trending news. I am again saying that if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel, and also press bell notification, because when I will make new video, then you can get notification instantly with every new video. Magnet have parted way with founding bassist David Ellison after the veteran thrash metal musician confessed to an embarrassing online encounter with a young woman, but denied reported that he had groomed her. And he is in trouble because no one is believing in him, and everyone is criticizing him. So this is the latest news that Magnet and David Ellison is no longer now working each other. Magnet split with David Ellison, and there's a very difficult time for David Ellison. And what are your opinion about this whole story? Write below comment section. And if you are new on my channel, never forget to press bell icon for future videos and detail. This is the latest news.